New tonight, Tennessee law enforcement, they've got more tools to crack down on drunk and impaired driving, and it all starts today. It comes from a brand new state law which allows officers to use reasonable force to take blood samples from drivers suspected of drunk driving, and they can also demand a cheek swab. Fox 17 News' Karen Aguilar joining us live in front of the Capitol to tell us about these brand new tools to try to stop impaired driving. Karen?
Megan, people whose loved ones have been lost to drunk driving say the changes from the new Tennessee DUI law are a good start, but it's just not good enough.
Impaired driving is a risk that can cost people their lives. Keanna Morris is one. It's been more than a year since Metro Police say drunk driver Donna Gray struck and killed her at the corner of Lafayette Street and Fairfield Avenue. Karla Dockery-Morris is Keanna's mom.
I have to go a whole another year and not hear her. I mean, I think the boys they don't hear.
Keanna's two boys have to grow up without a mother. Dockery-Morris tells me these are the consequences of drunk driving.
She chose to get in that car. She chose to have those drinks. She chose to do that cocaine.
State data shows 1/3 of deadly crashes involve impaired drivers getting behind the wheel. The state law took effect January 1st, which gives law enforcement extra tools to crack down on DUIs. Police can now use saliva swabs during sobriety tests. Defense attorney Ben Rabin tells me that evidence can be used to get a warrant for blood tests.
This makes crystal clear that they have that authority.
The law also allows law enforcement, along with practitioners such as nurses and hospitals, to use reasonable force for blood samples.
The law basically contemplates that the officer can physically hold you down.
Rabin adds, if suspected drunk drivers refuse any of the tests, that person can still be charged with implied consent. Rabin tells me that means if you get behind the wheel intoxicated, you are giving consent if there's probable cause. Another change is repeat DUI offenders who are convicted will lose their license for a longer amount of time.
That's definitely not enough.
Dockery-Morris tells me there are parts of this law that can save lives, but she believes there is more work to be done for when the suspects are convicted. That includes longer sentencing. Reporting live in front of the Capitol, Karen Aguilar, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.